Hello everyone, I'm Miss Amir. Welcome to my class. I am very excited. In this lesson, we will learn all about our classroom. We will learn classroom features and classroom language. Let's begin. This is our classroom. Look around. What do you see? Blackboard. Blackboard. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Calendar. Calendar. Class schedule. Class schedule. This is our class schedule. A schedule tells you what you will work on during the day. Today, we have English first period and geography last period. My favorite subject is English. What is your favorite subject? Go ahead. I'm listening. That's great. I like that too. Binders. Binders. Pencils. Pencils. Sharpener. Sharpener. Handouts. Handouts. What else do you see in this classroom?
Desk. Notebook. Backpack.
Great work! Let's move on. In a class, you have to follow instructions. Let's practice. Raise your hand to speak. Great work! Please take out your binders. Good job! Please take out your homework. Great work! You are good at following instructions. Well done! Now it's your turn to practice. Take out your pencil. I don't see a pencil. Go ahead. Take out your pencil. Well done. Take out a notebook or paper. Now write down 3 items that you can find in a classroom. What did you write? Go ahead. Tell me. That's great. That will be all for today. You did wonderful. I will see you next class. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I can recognize some classroom features and language. I can follow simple instructions.